Bitcoin cash value equivalent to 11,529 rands a coin. The present cost range, 10,454, 11,615. The earlier day close, 10,745. The change was plus 784, plus 730%. Reverse rate, ZAR to BCH. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for July 2024. To start with, cost at 15,4 to 19 rands. Exorbitant cost 18,796, while low cost 15,4 and 19. The found the middle value of cost 16,800. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 17,5 and 66. Change for July 13.9%. Bitcoin cash gauge for August 2024. To start with, cost at 17,566 rands. Exorbitant cost 17,566, while low cost 14,906. They found the middle value of cost 16,517. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 16,028, change for August 8.8%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for September 2024. To start with, cost at 16,028 rands. Exorbitant cost 17,698, while low cost 15,382. They found the middle value of cost 16,412. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 16,540s, change for September 3.2%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for October 2024. At the outset, cost at 16,540 rands. Excessive cost 19,092, while low cost 16,540. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 17,939. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 18,684, change for October 13%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at 18,684 rands. Exorbitant cost 18,684, while low cost 15,410. They found the middle value of cost 17,337. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 16,5 on 70, change for November 11.3%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for December 2024. At the outset, cost at 16,570 rands. Excessive cost 18,013, while low cost 15,657. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 16,769. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 16,835, change for December 1.6%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for January 2025. At the outset, cost at 16,835 rands. Excessive cost 20,96, while low cost 16,835. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 18,524. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 19,529, change for January 16%. Bitcoin cash figure for February 2025. Initially cost at 19,529 rands. Excessive cost 21,712, while low cost 18,872. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 20,101. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 22,092, change for February 3.9%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for Walk 2025. Initially cost at 22,092 rands. Excessive cost 21,083, while low cost 18,411. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 19,921. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 19,797, change for spring 2.4%. Bitcoin cash gauge for April 2025. To start with, cost at 1970 to 97 rands. Exorbitant cost 19,797, while low cost 16,696. They found the middle value of cost 18,561. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 17,953, change for April 9.3%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for May 2025. Before all else, cost at 17,953 rands. Excessive cost 19,083, while low cost 17,369. They found the middle value of cost 18,495. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 18,676, change for May 4%. Bitcoin cash estimate for June 2025. To start with, cost at 18,676 rands. Exorbitant cost 23,180, while low cost 18,676. They found the middle value of cost 20,549. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 21,664, change for June 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for July 2025. At the outset, cost at 20,664 rands. Excessive cost 23,549, while low cost 2,467. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 21,922. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 2028, change for July 16%. Bitcoin cash conjecture for August 2025. At the outset cost at 2028 rands. Excessive cost 2028, while low cost 18,1891. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 28,5. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward the month's end 2313, change for August 7%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for September 2025. First and foremost cost at 2313 rands. Exorbitant cost 20,52, while low cost 18,298. They found the middle value of cost 19,835. Bitcoin cash cost estimate toward the month's end 19,675, change for September 3.1%. Bitcoin cash estimate for October 2025. First and foremost cost at 19,675 rands. Exorbitant cost 23,310, while low cost 19,675. They found the middle value of cost 21,111. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 20,785, change for October 10.7%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 20,785 rands. Excessive cost 20,785, while low cost 17,250. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 19,842. Bitcoin cash cost figure toward the month's end 18,548, change for November 14.9%. Bitcoin cash figure for December 2025. Initially cost at 18,548 rands. Excessive cost 23,22, while low cost 18,548. They found the middle value of cost 2,409. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 21,516, change for December 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for January 2026. To start with cost at 20,516 rands. Exorbitant cost 23,390, while low cost 23,330. They found the middle value of cost 21,774. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 21,860, change for January 16%. Bitcoin cash gauge for February 2026. To start with cost at 21,860 rands. Exorbitant cost 23,765, while low cost 20,655. They found the middle value of cost 20,2023. Bitcoin cash cost gauge toward the month's end 20,210, change for February 16%. Bitcoin cash cost expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset cost at 20,210 rands. Excessive cost 20,145, while low cost 29,085. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 20,476. Bitcoin cash cost conjecture toward